Welcome to Money Top Videos, Unlocking Financial Wisdom, a journey through 8 timeless masterpieces. We're delving into the profound insights of 8 influential books on economics and personal finance. These classics offer invaluable guidance for financial success, catering to seasoned investors, aspiring entrepreneurs, and anyone aiming to enhance financial literacy. Let's explore the enduring advice within each book, guiding you towards prosperity. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason, published in 1926, offers timeless financial advice through a series of parables set in ancient Babylon. The book emphasizes the importance of saving, investing wisely, and living within one's means. Key principles include paying yourself first, seeking wise counsel, and making your money work for you. Clason's practical lessons on wealth building, financial discipline, and personal responsibility are conveyed through engaging stories and characters. Key points explained. 1. Financial advice. Clason provides practical financial advice through simple and relatable parables. He emphasizes the importance of saving a portion of your income, investing wisely, and avoiding unnecessary debt. 2. Key principles. Pay yourself first. Save at least 10% of your earnings before spending on other needs. Seek wise counsel. Consult knowledgeable and experienced individuals before making financial decisions. Make money work for you. Invest your savings to generate additional income and build wealth over time. 3. Practical lessons. Clason stories teach the value of financial discipline and personal responsibility. By following basic principles of money management, individuals can achieve financial stability and prosperity. 4. Engaging parables. The book uses engaging stories set in ancient Babylon to illustrate financial principles. These parables make complex financial concepts accessible and memorable, encouraging readers to apply them in their own lives. Stay tuned, subscribe, and make sure to catch all 8 videos to unlock the full spectrum of financial wisdom. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. Like this video if you found it helpful, and share it with your friends. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you have. Next up, Book 8, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hills. Thanks for watching.